Ukraine, Russia, Crimea have been affected by the snowstorm. So far, 3 people have died in a powerful storm, according to the local media. More than 2,000 towns and villages in Ukraine have left without power due to snowstorms and strong winds. The worst affected region is Odisha in the southeast. Due to the blizzard, 2 to 5 meters of snow has accumulated in some places.
নগদ অ্যাকাউন্ট খুলে নিজ নম্বরে প্রথমবার রিচার্জে 10 টাকা ক্যাশব্যাক।
More than 1,000 cars are stuck in the road. The authorities have rescued 48 people stuck in the car. More than 1,500 rescue workers have been deployed across the country to clear the snow. Snowstorms also hit Moldova, Georgia, and Bulgaria.